Good morning, student. Here we are learning chapter number 12, Heron's formula, and it is part number 4. Now, in a previous lecture, we have discussed the method to find the area of any parallelogram. Now, or any quadrilateral. Now, we solve such examples from the exercise number 12.2. So, here, given that in exercise number 12.2, that is, a kite is in the shape of square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and isosceles triangle of base. Sachin, you can see here the given kite as a square and its diagonal is 32 centimeter and isosceles triangle of the base 8 centimeter and sides of 6 centimeter, means these two sides are of 6 centimeter. Each is to be made of three different shapes as shown in the figure. How much paper you of each shade has been used in it? Now let it is square, given that it is a square. So we know that in a square the diagonal divides each other, or diagonal bisects each other at the right angle. We can say that the diagonal divides each other in equal two parts and it intersect at a 90 angle. So if we divide this square into into triangles, so this side will be height and it will be base of the this triangle. Also it is equal to, its area is equal to the area of this triangle. And after then, here given the side of this isosceles triangle, so we can find the area of this triangle by the Heron's formula. So let here given that, let we give the name to vertices of the given kite A, B, C, D, intersecting point O, and the vertex of base E and F, and let us write the length of all the sides. Now let ABCD is a square, so OA is equal to OC is equal to OB is equal to OD. Why? Because the diagonal of square bisects each other at 90 angle. So OA and OB is equal to OC is equal to OD. And angle AOB, from the figure you can see that angle AOB is 90. Diagonal of a square bisect each other at the right angle. BD is equal to 32 centimeter. We know that BD is 32 centimeter. Then OA equal to 32 by 2 because it is a half of BD. It's equal to 16 centimeter. So triangle ABD is a right triangle. Triangle ABD is a right triangle. So area of a triangle ABD is equal to half of base into height. Half of base into height. So which is equal to half into 32 into 16 centimeter square, which is equal to 256 centimeter square. As well as thus the area of triangle BCD is equal to 256 centimeter square. Now about the base. For triangle CEF, A is equal to B is equal to 6, C is equal to 8 centimeter. So the semi-perimeter is equal to S, A plus B plus C by 2, 6 plus 6 plus 8 by 2, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Hence, let using the Heron's formula, area of the triangle is equal to under square root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, square root 10 into 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6 and 10 minus 8. Hence, we can find 10 into 4 into 4 into 2, which is equal to square root of 320 centimeter, which is near about, its answer is near about 17.92 centimeter square, or you can write square root 320 centimeter square. Here paper needed for shade 1 is equal to 256 centimeter, for shade 2 256 centimeter square, and for shade 3 is equal to 17.92 centimeter square. Now example number 8, a floral design on a floor is made up of 16 tiles which are triangular, which are triangular. One side of a triangle being 9 centimeter. Let us consider the figure. Yes, you can see here that the figure is, yes, such a floral design being 9 centimeter. One side is 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter, one side is 28 centimeter, and one side is 35 centimeter. So here you can see that 28, 9 and 35 makes one triangle. Find the cost of polishing the tiles at the rate of 50 paisa per centimeter square. So let here we want to find, first we have to find the area of this floral design. Here you can see that this shape, this wall shape made by two triangles, this shape made by two triangles, and these triangles here 16 such type of 16 tiles, here such type of 16 sides. If we find the area of one triangle, if you find the area of one triangle, and we after then we multiply with it 16, then we find this area of this floral design, and after then we multiply 15 paisa, then we can find the total amount. We have length of the sides of the one triangular tiles is RA is equal to 35 centimeter, B is equal to 28 centimeter, and C is equal to 9 centimeter. So S will be A plus B plus C by 2, then 35 plus 29 plus 9 by 2, that is 36. As area of one triangle's tiles is square root of S into S minus 1, S minus B, and S minus C. Hence putting the value, after then we can find 88.2 centimeter square. 88.2 centimeter square. Then hence the area of such 16 tiles, we can find 16 into 88.2 centimeter square. So let we find the cost polishing it. So cost of polishing 1 centimeter square is equal to 15 paisa is equal to rupees 0.50. The total cost of polishing the floral design is equal to 16 into 88.2 into 0.50, which is equal to rupees 705.60 rupees. Now example number 9. A field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. Let us consider the figure. Here given that first let us consider the figure. Here you can see that such type of trapezium is given here. Such type of trapezium is given here, A, B, C, D. Parallel sides is AB and CD. Parallel sides are AB and CD. So CD will be 10 centimeter, AB will be 25 centimeter. Now first what we do? We draw one parallel line, and also the non-parallel sides are 13 meter and 14 meter. Now first we draw one parallel line to these non-parallel lines, one of the non-parallel lines. Let me draw parallel to AD. We draw one line AD parallel to FC. So here you can see that AFCD triangle quadrilateral AFCD is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So it will be 10, then AF will be 10, it is 13, then FC will be 13. And after then FB will be 15, because AB total length of AB is 25 centimeter, then if AF is 10 meter, then FB will be 15 meter. So we have such example. Now let we know that if you want to find the area of this trapezium, then it is half of the sum of the parallel sides, and into its height. But here let we consider CG is its height, but we don't know the value of CG. But here you can see that CFB it is one triangle, and we know that FC is 13, it is 14, and it is 15. So we easily can find the area of this triangle. And after that, as we know that it is the altitude, so we can find easily its altitude by putting the value of area. So it will be the height of this trapezium, and after finding the height of this trapezium, we can easily find the area of this trapezium. So first, in the figure, ABCD is the field. Draw CF parallel to DA, and CG is perpendicular to AB, as you can see here. DC is equal to AF is equal to 10 meter, and AD is equal to FC is equal to 13 meter. For triangle BCF, A is equal to 15, B is equal to 14, and C is equal to 13. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, which is equal to 15 plus 14 plus 13 is equal to by 2, which is equal to 21 meter. So let area of triangle BCF will be root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Let put it the value of all the sides. We can find square root 7056 centimeter square, which is over 84 meter square. Now hence, as we know that the area of triangle BCF is equal to half into base into height. Why we put this formula? We want to find its height. Because it is also height of this trapezium. So we can easily find the area of this trapezium. So triangle BCF is equal to half of base into height. So half BF into CG. So here we have the area of triangle BCF. So we put 84 into is equal to half into 15 into CG. So CG will be 84 into 2 by 15, which is equal to 11.2 meter. So we have the height of the trapezium, it is 11.2 meter. Now let area of trapezium is equal to height half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them. So half into 25 plus 10 into 11.2 meter square, which is equal to 196 meter square. Hence area of the field is equal to 196 meter square, which is the required answer. So let you can solve such example from the exercise 12.2. Solve the questions 5 and 6 are similar to such type of examples.